you giving me a kiss? Oh. Oh. Are you giving your Owen a kiss? Is that your Owen, Lucy? Did Owen give Lamb Chop a kiss?
Yeah.
Is that your Owen?
Come!
I don't think he's going to come if you yell at him.
Owen, come! I want you.
Watch his head, love. Don't push him over. Lucy. I don't think he likes that. I don't think he likes that.
I'm going.
You gonna bring him up?
I peeled it. No.
Be gentle when you do it. Okay, bring him all the way up if you're gonna bring him up. Owen's like, I'm out of here. I'm outie. Lamb Chop wants to sit on my lap?
Yeah. On my lap. And then when there's a Becky, I walk.
Lucy, did you see all the snow outside?
Yeah.
Did we get a lot?